Fiesta Fun is a lively teamwork event in which your group will experience the sights, sounds, and flavor of the Southwest. In this all-out culinary competition, your teams will make their own brand of salsa and guacamole. Teams will also create their version of golden margaritas or sangria. South-of-the-border themed decor and the beat of Mexican music will set the stage for this gastronomical team builder, which combines creativity with culinary skill and a few surprises too. Each team will have a designated table equipped with all the required utensils and will shop our Mexican marketplace to select ingredients to make their recipes unique. After donning sombreros and selecting a team captain, the Southwestern Trivia Challenge takes place. Teams now create and prepare salsa, guacamole, and margaritas or sangria, develop a team name, design a team logo, and write a chant to market their creation, all within the allotted amount of time. Once the preparations are completed, the culinary teamwork presentations begin. Each team will perform their chant and present their creations to the judges.
Come have a sip of our lovely sangria, then eat a chip with our sassy homemade salsa. Have some guacamole and you'll always get lucky. Hey, Rico Suave!
Teams will be judged on creativity, presentation, and taste. All winning team members will receive medals for their culinary masterpieces. Olé!